All right, today we're going to modify part of the Ecodiesel so that we can have a cabin air filter. So this is what we're going to use. Got an air filter. I got a door for the air filter, and I'm going to attempt to use a Dremel tool, and we're gonna see how that works. I would imagine that I could use any number of things to cut this shape out, but I'm gonna try this Dremel tool. I suppose I could use a handsaw, and I've got a couple of handsaws that I think might do the job. Maybe be able to use a sharp knife or a box knife, but I don't really want to do that. And then I've got a few power tools that might work, so I'm gonna try this one and we're gonna see what happens. All right, so that worked okay. It worked okay, but as you can see, that's pretty messy. That's pretty messy. So I'm going to go back and try to clean that up, vacuum up the mess, and see if I can't make that look a little bit nicer before I put the filter in and put the door on. Okay. See all that, without a filter, see all that dust? Without a filter, all that dust comes into the car. It should all be the color of that metal, that shiny gray metal right there. So all that's covered in dust. And then all that's getting into the cabin without a filter. So we're gonna fix that with this project. All right, so this is the piece that I cut out. This is gonna be the new door. So it looks like it should fit on the outside of the hole that I cut. And I hope that that's true and it works out like that. I'll show you what it looks like after cleanup. Not super clean, but I got most of the melted stuff off of there. Put my light back in there. Okay, got my light in there. Let's see if we can get this. All right, check it out. Air filter fits. So now I'm just gonna put the little door on. There's even tabs right there. See that little plastic thing? There's even tabs for the door. They just didn't cut it out and have an air filter in a door. But the rest of it is ready. Very, very strange. Very strange. So anyway, so these go on the outside like that, like that. Voila.